Ayan guys, wow, gusto ko nang kumain. Masarap yung kain namin today. Lunch. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another recipe, a Korean recipe. And this is called Korean beef bulgogi stew. Ayan. Kaya bumili ako guys ng 480 grams. So almost 500 grams na siya. So, panoorin nyo guys ang aking video for today. Let's start it! So, first, muna natin ang garlic. Smash it. And slice it thinly. So, in a bowl, put the garlic inside. So, after putting the garlic inside, the smashed garlic, put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Honey, if you have honey, also tablespoon of honey. Then I put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Ayan, white sugar. And guys, I love mixing because this is my own recipe. I love mixing this oyster sauce. Oh, I cannot ayan. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce inside. Then I put sesame oil, 1 tablespoon also sesame oil. Just mix it together. Then put the beef inside and marinate it. By the way guys, I've already cut by this one into the bite size. Cut this into bite size. So I put also a pepper inside. Why it's not? Then let's marinate. Oh my goodness. So let's marinate it. I wash my hands first, then marinate. So by the way guys, if you cannot find this sliced bulgogi, beef bulgogi in the supermarket, you can buy 500 grams of beef and slice it thinly like this. Very thin. So we have to mix it and marinate it for about 30 minutes. Again, let's make another here. So, the same kanina, we put soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just mix it together. Guys, the reason why we put sugar because we don't need MSG. So it's better na. And also I put oyster sauce. I love oyster sauce, guys. And mix together. Mix together.
So guys, we need this kind of mushroom. I don't know the name. In Korean, we call it songiposot. Just slice it like this, slant, or if you wanna put thinly kasi malaki. Ayan. Ayan, yung parang ano siya. Triangle. Ayan. Nainit na naman ako. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin dito to marinate here yung ano para ma-absorb niya yung sauce. So, another is onions. Put it here. Slice like this stick.
So another is onions. Put it here. Then carrots. Slice like this stick.
big green onions. What also? Okay.
So now let's try the mixture of cooking oil and sesame oil together, and then we put the marinated beef bulgogi. Just let it dry for a minute. Oh my dear. Now let's put the vegetable. Saka i-marinate din natin. Let's cook it for 10 minutes. So let's put about 2 cups of water. Kung meron kayong stocks, chicken stocks or whatsoever, pwede rin. Ayan na siya, guys. Sarap ng amoy. Ayan guys. Wow! Gusto ko lang kumain. Masarap yung kain namin today. Guys. Lastly, ito ilagay natin ang isa pang klaseng mushroom. Last but not the least, lagyan ulit natin ng paminta. So, luto na ang ating recipe for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!